How to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. To withdraw money from Binance to your bank account, it's quite simple. Open up the Binance app and you will see this type of interface. From here, what you have to do is just simply tap on the wallet option from the bottom right of the screen. Now, assuming you've got a fair bit of cryptocurrency or fiat currency that you want to withdraw to your bank account, just go to this option right here that says withdraw. And once you go to this withdraw option, you can see withdraw crypto or withdraw fiat. You can withdraw via bank transfer, digital transfer, or mobile payment. So you can select that. From P2P trading also you can do that, or what you can do is tap on withdraw and select withdraw crypto or withdraw fiat. And if you have got your fiat currency, which is your real money, you can select that and select withdraw it to your bank account and link your bank account in that way. And this way you'll be able to withdraw money from your Binance to your bank account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.